All right, so I just got the Android QPR2 Beta 1 and I'm about to download it and enjoy it. So let's download it. However, let me go and check what is new in this particular update. Okay, so UI, system experience, and accessibility. Expanded dark theme, auto theme apt icons, interactive shoulder sessions, smoother Android migrations, PDF document annotation and editing, display topology API, design device aware view configuration, granular haptic feedback control, quick setting style categories. So there's a whole lot of changes in this particular update here. Okay, let's get it done.